Students, I hope the videos and study material related to chapter 10, that is flow charting, which I have already sent to you, you have understood those things, prepare and learn those things, and also practicing which of the homeworks has been given. Okay, so I hope the flow chart and algorithm is quite easier to you now. Here only some of the flow charts as given where the condition has been applied. Those things I am going to clear to you in today's class. So let's see how to do the conditions, how to apply the conditions or yes or no to branches through flow charting in today's class. Let's take this example. What has given here through flow chart? That print the message flow chart 10 times. This is the questions. If the question arises in this manner, in the place of flow chart, it may be print your name 10 times. The things will be same. So how the thing is following through flow chart? As because the start and stop both are same in every flow chart. So no need to discuss these portions. You need the oval symbol to write start and stop at the beginning and at the last of that way. Then you need in this way a loop. This is loop, or where the condition is needed. First here see a variable or a cell has taken named as x. It is not necessary that always the name will be x. It may be with any other name also. Here it has taken as 0. The value of x is 0 or it is null or it is empty now. So we have created a box or a cell or a variable whose value is at this moment 0 or null. Then only this is the second step. So I have taken a variable to store something, or in a simple English you can tell that we have created a box which is empty now. Then only the next step, this is input output box is needed where we are printing the message. Which things it asked to print? It has asked to print us the word flow chart. So here print flow chart has given for that. Here it will be your name also. If you ask the flow chart to print your name, print any other word, suppose computer. So the which word has asked to print, this will be in this place in input and output box. Okay. Then look at the third one, that is another processing box is needed where the variable which have already taken named as x, it is increasing by 1. First it was 0. So first value of x is 0 at this moment. So first time flow chart has print. Then it comes to the next step where the x value is 0 now and we are adding 1 with it. That's why x value is 1 now. So what the value is storing in this x? It is now 1 because at previously it was 0. After printing this word flow chart, it has increased with 1. So the value of x is now 1. Next step, this is the condition box. In the condition box, because of the question is print the word flow chart for 10 times. Here the condition you have to give that this value will be increased if it is less than 10. So when it is 10 only, the last time it will be printed and the program will be closed or completed. So next step in the decision box, it is checking whether x value is less than 10 or greater than 10. Here I have just increased value with 1. So x value is 1 now. So it is less than 10. So if it is less than 10, it will again go to the second step. That means from x is equal to 0, that portion. But in this moment, this condition is yes or x value is less than 10. What it is? It is now 1 only because I have increased it with 1. Now it goes again to this step. Now here x is equal to how much? X is equal to here is 1 now. So if it is 1 and the condition is matching or true, because the value is less than 10, that's why again it will print this word flow chart. Again it comes to this part. X value will increase with, previously it was 1. I have added 1 with it. So now x value is 2. Now it will come to this decision box. So now x is less than 10. Now x value is 2, it is less than 10, so it is true, this condition is true, or yes. So again it will just turn to this step and again it will print. In this manner repeatedly up to 10, because it asked you to print it 10 times. Up to 10, this word flowchart will print repeatedly on the screen. When it will be more than 10, that means when sometimes the value will be 10 plus 1, that means 11. When it will be more than 10, in this step, in the decision box, when it comes and it checks that 11 is less than 10. So it is not true, it is false. So when the value 11 or x value is 11 will be less than 10, it will not go, because now the condition is false, it will not go to this manner, it will come to this no portions and the program will be completed or stopped. In this manner you can use or apply the condition box or to do the programming with condition. This is flowchart. Again here another program has given that print greater of true numbers. Here only the check that study this flowchart. Okay, study this flowchart. If any problem arise, you have your online interaction group. There only you may ask me the question. First you study and just look at this and just try to do same another kind of flowcharts where the conditions has been applied. Okay, practice these things. I hope these things will be very much easier for you very soon. So thank you for today only. Bye bye.